Sam.
Yeah, more snow on the way. I know that's probably not what folks want to hear after we've seen several days of persistent cold and snow chances. But Friday night into Saturday, it is going to be pretty wintry out there. The system snow coming in after 1 o'clock. Now that's for those of you west of 71, and then gradually through the afternoon, more and more people will be seeing that snow to the east. It'll continue overnight, and then some lake effect out there on Saturday. Obviously, this will impact travel on Friday evening. Snow-coated roads, reduced visibility, and a general 2 to 4 inches of snow area-wide. Not much snow out there tonight other than a few passing flurries. Really, the big story today, the cold. It's currently 17 in Cleveland, but with the wind factored in, it feels on your exposed skin like 9. We call that the wind chill. Feels like 1 degree in Worcester, feels like 4 in Akron, 3 in Lorraine. So just really uncomfortably cold. The bigger picture showing you this major winter storm off to our south and west. This is what's going to be impacting us tomorrow. You can see it's actually snowing tonight in Dallas, especially on the north side of Dallas, Oklahoma City, Little Rock, Arkansas, even Memphis is about to see snow. And look, northern Mississippi, I know there's a lot of southern kids like freaking out about maybe missing school tomorrow. I say this as one of those former southern kids who loved a rare snow day. All right, evening planner for us. No snow, thank goodness, right? We can handle the snow up here. We're just like over it. It's going to be cold. We're going to dip down to about 14 by midnight tonight. And then eventually tomorrow morning, lower teens, single digits. It is going to be so cold out there in the morning. The wind chill, single digits pretty much for everybody. First thing tomorrow, we're going to walk you through Friday's snow hour by hour, exactly how much you may see. And we're going to look ahead to another blast of Arctic air coming our way next week.
Robert, Sam.
Yeah, it's been snowing in Texas today, Arkansas, obviously not places that see a ton of snow. Northern Mississippi, northern Alabama, and parts of north and even down into central Georgia under some type of winter weather alert. These alerts extending all the way from El Paso through the south and out towards the east coast to all of North Carolina, almost. Like Wilmington is the only place not under a winter weather alert right now. Everybody else is all the way up into southern Ohio. Why do we focus so much on this system? Well, it's actually the same weather system that's going to bring us snow tomorrow, but it's, you know, less of a huge deal for us because 2 to 4 inches of snow, we're like, okay, well, that's just a Friday. Here for them, it's a much bigger deal. Not as good at cleaning up the snow there. They just don't have the infrastructure for it. But here a little closer to home, again, just another day of cold and snow. This is Future View. Snow coming in after 1 o'clock. Now it is a first alert weather day, and I'll tell you why. It's more the timing on this than the actual snowfall amounts. 2 to 4 inches, manageable snow, but it's coming in during the evening commute, so that's why it's a little more problematic. Slick spots, low visibility, especially as you start getting into the 5 and 6 o'clock hour. This is 7 p.m. Pretty much everybody is seeing snow, and the scattered snow continues for us through the night. By Saturday morning, most of the system snow is out of here, but we will have some lake effect bands developing over the course of the day, so some additional travel headaches with that. And I've mentioned this, but a widespread 2 to 4 is on the table. This is from Friday afternoon all the way through Saturday. You'll notice that most of us fall like right around the low to mid end of that, but I do think out across the primary and secondary snow belts, this is where we may see a little bit more. We'll go 4 to 6, 271 corridor and east into the primary snow belt chart, and about 6 inches of snow for you. Maybe even some isolated higher totals where squalls persist, and then down to the south in the secondary snow belt closer to that 3 to 4 inch range. Even out around Elyria could get about 3 inches of snow with this. Tonight though, no snow. I think this is the first evening in a long time we haven't forecasted snow for somewhere in the viewing area. Now we could see a few flurries. That's about it. 12 degrees. The big story tonight, just the cold, and the cold keeps coming for the next 7 to 10